If you've ever tried hanging a shelf or aligning a wall and ended up questioning your life choices, this video is for you. Today we're ranking 5 of the most talked about laser and digital levels, from the weakest to the absolute best performer you can buy right now. Coming in at the bottom of our list, we have the Klein Tools 935DAG, a digital angle gauge that's great for basic leveling but lacks the versatility of the competition. Klein is known for reliable, rugged tools, and this one keeps that reputation alive. It's small, tough, and perfect for quick leveling or checking saw blade angles. In terms of performance, it's got respectable accuracy, a nice auto-rotating display, and a magnetic base that grips securely to metal surfaces. The drop resistance and clear LCD screen make it a practical pick for job sites. But compared to the rest of the lineup, it's more of a classic digital level than a modern hybrid device. Its main drawbacks: it doesn't have any laser projection, runs on AAA batteries instead of a rechargeable pack, and the IP42 rating offers only basic dust and water protection. That means it's not your go-to for heavy-duty outdoor or construction use. If you just need a tough little level for everyday home or workshop use, this one's reliable. But if you want advanced features like lasers or rechargeable power, stay tuned. There's much better value coming up, and remember, you'll find all the product links with the best prices down below in the description. Next up, the Exxontop XOP018, a compact and capable digital level that steps things up with modern features like dual lasers and USB-C charging. It's designed for precision angle measurement, whether you're setting up shelving, aligning tiles, or framing walls. This little cube is surprisingly feature-rich. It offers automatic display rotation, strong magnets on 4 sides, and the ability to zero from any position. The rechargeable battery and IP54 rating make it practical for indoor and light outdoor projects. Overall, it's more flexible than the Klein thanks to its dual laser alignment and smart display system. However, it's not perfect. The laser visibility drops in bright light, accuracy can drift slightly away from key angles, and while IP54 protection helps, it's not meant for truly dusty or wet job sites. Still, it's a great bridge between budget tools and pro-level equipment. If you're after something portable with great value for money, the Exxontop is a very solid step up. And hey, if you're enjoying this review so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more honest, data-driven gear breakdowns. Sliding into the middle of our ranking, the Coralada Cow's COROLLATA-COUS31001c6 brings a real boost in toughness and protection. Think of it as the field-ready version of the XUNTOP. With IP67 dust and water resistance, it's built to survive tougher conditions. From woodworking shops to outdoor framing, it offers strong magnets on all 4 sides, dual laser guidance, and a compact rechargeable design that's both durable and reliable. The improved waterproofing alone puts it a notch above other angle finders in this class. It's accurate enough for professional work, and the 0.05 degrees resolution means it catches even the slightest changes in tilt. On the downside, the precision can fall off a bit at awkward angles, and like most compact digital levels, it's not made for long-distance laser work. The magnetic base could also use a little more grip on thinner metals. If you need something rugged and portable that can take a few knocks, this one's an excellent choice. It's the type of level you throw in your toolbox and trust to perform, rain or shine. Now things get interesting. The Kipram LD120S jumps from simple angle measurement to full-scale laser distance and leveling work. This dual laser meter can reach nearly 400 feet, combining precise distance measurement with an electronic level, all in one compact handheld tool. It's packed with functions like Pythagorean calculations, memory storage for past measurements, and the ability to measure in multiple units. The dual laser design means it can handle both short and long-range readings easily, and the rechargeable battery makes it cost-effective in the long run. Its only downsides are typical for its class. Sunlight can interfere with accuracy outdoors, and the dual laser setup can be slightly tricky to align perfectly on first use. But once you get the hang of it, it's a very capable device. If you're a DIYer or contractor who needs both leveling and measurement in one tool, this one delivers fantastic versatility for the price. Finally, at the top of the list, we have the Huepar B03CG. a full 3D self-leveling laser that's built for professionals who demand precision and coverage. This thing projects three 360-degree green laser lines, giving you full room alignment in seconds. It's perfect for tiling, framing, drop ceilings, and general construction work. Compared to everything else here, it's in a different league. The green lasers are incredibly bright indoors, and the self-leveling feature automatically corrects for uneven surfaces up to 4 degrees. The rechargeable battery even works while plugged in, which is a big plus for all-day job sites. It's not flawless. You'll still lose some visibility in bright sunlight, and battery life could be longer. But overall, it's the best mix of precision, range, and usability in this lineup. If you want a professional-grade laser level that you can rely on for layout, construction, or interior work, this is the one to beat. So there you have it, and 5 laser and digital levels, tested and ranked from the simplest to the most advanced. If you want to check them out yourself, you'll find the best prices and current deals in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more in-depth reviews, and stay tuned, because we've got plenty more tools coming your way soon.